Okay, we have not done a chill time with birds in a while. Hi, Benny. There goes that Thistle, chasing his dad. Emilio keeps trying to feed Elliot, but Elliot won't let him. He always begs for me, which doesn't work either, so he ends up just going to feed himself. Oh, hey, Tandy fans. You would have had a chance to adopt this Elliot, but nobody spoke for him, so I'm keeping him. Also, Tandy and Emilio gave me such diversity of body types between these two clutch mates. Elliot is not small because he's underfed. He is small because he takes more after Emilio, and Thistle takes more after Tandy, structurally speaking. So, you missed out. This is my kid. He will be joining the breeding program. Possibly she. We're pretty sure Thistle is a cockbird. Just going by behavior, which you know how accurate that is. By which I mean it's not especially. But, you know, some of the times you can peg them by behavior, but it's not a guarantee. Hi, Indica. We also expect that Indica is a cuckbird. We had thought he was a hen initially because his light down led me to believe that he would be cream like his granddaddy. Not the case. However, these both carrying their mother's dirty gene, and Indica being lighter than Sativa, Indica likely carries dilute, which means that Sativa either doesn't carry it or is hemizygous, which means she's female. Hello! Hello! So the difference between hemizygous and heterozygous is that hemizygous is specifically a sex-linked term. Heterozygous for a recessive trait means that you are visually expressing a dominant trait, like ash red. And you are carrying a recessive trait like dilute, which is what we thought was going on, or we thought this one was dilute, but his father is a dilute carrier. And I had assumed that Ellie was darker than him because of being hemizygous and being sooty. Well, here are both the children sooty, or I'm sorry, both the children dirty is the term I was looking for. That's a modifier gene that kind of darkens and mutes the background color. Oh, sorry, got ahead of myself a little bit. Heterozygous means that you have two genes, one copy with a dominant trait and one copy with a recessive trait. Hemizygous means you only have one gene, period. Like, not are only expressing one trait, I mean only have one gene. And that is a sex-linked term specifically because only male cocks have two sex chromosomes. Did I say male cocks? Oh my god. Only male birds have two sex chromosomes. What makes a female is only having one. Hi, Pippin. I'm surrounded by and covered in birds. Someone help. Somebody help. Oh no. Oh no, it's Elliot and there's Indica. So, yeah. Oh, hi, Vinny. Welcome back. So, a wee bitty... Hi, Elliot. Those are my teeth. Those are all of my teeth. So, a wee bitty Indica, probably heterozygous for dilute. Like Daddy. Slightly darker because of the dirty gene that Daddy doesn't have. Yes, hello, Elliot. That is my face. Carrying on the proud tradition of shoving his beak in my mouth. Hi, Oliver. What a nice surprise to see this boy. If I have love for you, but not food. You need to food yourself with food. That's a thing. That's a thing an Elliot needs to do. Cody is having words with his dad now that he realizes how big he is. Look at that family. Father, son, and grandson. Oh my God, Peeps. Hi, Hagrid. Yeah, no, I don't blame you. You've still got Penny and Farthing to feed. I wouldn't want fresh eggs either. Run, Hagrid, run! Hey, baby, welcome. Yes, I will give you the nursies without begging you for sex. Yeah, I'll give that Hagrid the nursies. So Hagrid, being so hungry, taking care of these freaking gigantic squeakers, is confusing Betty by begging him to be fed. He thinks she wants him to tread her afterwards. What she wants is food. And speaking of that, we noticed yesterday while cleaning the loft that Ellie has 2 sugar daddies on top of her husband. She is begging for kisses from Vinny, from Platt, from Lily, and from Sammy. But when she crouches as if she's going to acquiesce to being tread, she flattens her tail to the ground so that nobody can actually get up under it and tread her. So that's my first experience with a gathering sugar daddies. Look at this Elliot. Look at this precious Elliot. And that's Squally Indica. What a good peep. What a fantastic peep. I am debating whether or not to keep Sativa because I'm absolutely fascinated by the difference in Indica and Sativa's body types. Indica got them Vinny genes. I am only going to be able to tell grown Indica from grown Vinny by the fact that his toes are also feathered. Peep, I know. And Sativa, I don't know if you guys have seen Sativa, but Sativa stands the way Ellie usually does, which is very, very upright. I say usually does because she is in feeding posture right now. There's a Vinny. There's this Indica. This Indica is a chunky baby. You're a chunky baby. Chunky, chunky baby. Oh my God, Elliot, you are so loud. Oh, hi, Sammy. Hi, Sammy. Oh, dear God, Elliot, that's my entire ear. And now it's ringing. Come here. Come here, you loud little child. Come here, you loud peep. How about I pet you here, where you can't scream directly into my eardrum? I know, you're starving to death. You've never seen food. Everybody's just ganging up on Cookie. Hang in there, buddy. She's trying to let you. She really is trying to let him, despite the 2 boys harassing her. This, by the way, is why we haven't gotten any eggs out of them yet. bastard. And that bastard, General. I'm sorry, wrong bastard. That bastard. And sometimes this bastard. Hi, Sammy. Now, Sammy, for anybody interested, is very comfortable in laps. He knows his name. He takes treats. Hi, Puddin'. He is available because his grandmother and great-grandmother, oh, Lordy, died from immune deficiencies. Hey, Sammy, you want Nursies too? You want Nursies too? Oh, he does not want Nursies, but that was a preemie Sammy. Okay. Elliot, stop picking my teeth. Small child, you are not a toothpick. Look at that Tandy. Just staring out the window. What a happy girl. Glad to be away from her screaming children. Hi, Oliver. I'm pretty sure there's some space if you want to take it. Don't mess with my toes. You don't know where my toes have been. Yes, I know. I hear this Elliot. I hear this squally baby. Oh my God, he's dying. He's never eaten food. Never had a food a day in his life. Never have I ever had a food. Hey, buddy. Hey, Sammy. Now, this Sammy is quite content to hang out and have lap time. He does not like you to pet him. Most cocks don't. But he will definitely be a lap buddy. And he will sometimes preen your fingers. Silk has been reserved. Now, we can't send anybody out until we finish the second round of wormer and done a fecal. Made sure the worms are clear. So, this coming Friday, we're doing wormers. I know. Today is Tuesday, by the way. And then next Friday, we'll bring in a bird and do a fecal. I have set up to do this at home. Normally, I would make a point of going to the vet specifically to support her through paying her. But they are so overrun with clients right now. They are just worked ragged. So since I'm set up for that, so since I am set up to do fecals, I will go ahead and just consider this practice time for doing my own high. Hello, Peep. I know, God bless. Peep, you're so small. You're such a tiny Peep. You are such a teeny, tiny Peep. I know. I know. We were supposed to do his first... Ow! Oh my God! It's my ear. We were supposed to do his first paratyphoid shots last night, but it was raining and cold, and you're not supposed to do that when it's cold. Yes, Hagrid. Hello. Hello, Hagrid. That's a sweet girl. She can have the nursies. My sweet girl can, of course, have the nursies. Oh, my God, child. Oh, my good Lord. My goodness, this Peep. Hi, Tandy. Hi, sweetheart. How's little Tandy Mom? You just enjoying me dealing with your children while you don't have to? Oh, my God, Indica. You're going to deafen me. They are both fighting over getting to scream in the same ear. Oh, the dangers of peeps. If you value your hearing, don't raise pigeons. That's my nose. Oh, okay. That's a little too much, small child. Hello. Hello. That is too much screaming. It's too loud. It hurts very much. I'll give you nursies down here, but you need to food yourself with food. I feel your little beanbag crop. I know you can. Beep! Beep! I know. Hey, Tandy. Tandy is suffering from having raised thistle. Indica, no, you cannot be on my shoulder anymore. You're very loud. I'm sorry. Just the epitome of grace. Ooh. She almost let him and then thought better of it and ran away. Just dumped him on the floor. Okay. Hey, Tandy. I need you to move, baby. Thank you. Indica. Come on. Let me ease you down. Vinny, there was no call for that. Okay, excuse me. I'm gonna come visit Leela, who just turned a week old. Hi, Leela. And pick up his peep. Peep. Pick up his chonky peep. Look how chonky this peep is. She is very well fed. And now we're going to find out if Cody carries dilute somehow. Be interesting to see. It could be that Hagrid is khaki, not just brown. Khaki, by the way, is brown affected by dilute. But these are the reddest eyes I have ever seen on a wee bitty peep. And I do not think that this child is almond. Too much color. Yeah, too much color. Almonds usually have much less color coming in. And they are almond from hatch day, as you've seen from Cody and Oliver and Lilac, God rest her. This is what a solid brown looks like. Hi, Penny. Penny, can pick you up. Well, actually, we're almost at the 20-minute mark. Peeps. Oh, smack. Yeah. Peeps down from the nest have to defend themselves. So don't be insulted or surprised if a peep who's on the floor does not want you to touch it. I'm sorry. It's okay. He's very upset. Of course, her mom and dad are here and have no idea why she's upset. This, by the way, is what brown looks like in spread. So this is the brown version of black. I know. Emilio. Alrighty, so we will close. Get in, baby. We will close visiting Farthing. Hi, Farthing. I mean, you are a chunker. That little chunker. Oh, I know he's mad. I know he's mad. That's a mad peep. Oh, Farthing is the same color as Cody. Okay. I'll have to pick him up two-handed and cuddle him away from the nest box in a minute. But in the meantime, in addition to our clients, adopters, and our apprentices, both in companion breeding and rescue work, I would like to thank our patrons on Patreon, our subscribers here on Facebook, god damn it, on YouTube, the friends of our business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual. Time permitting, we will see you tomorrow. If not, we'll see you when we see you.